What's good, everybody on YouTube? This is your boy Akil McLeod, and I'm a full-time eBay and Poshmark seller. So in today's video, I'm going to go over a quick thrift store haul, show you all the things that I picked up this past weekend. So hopefully you can learn some of the brands that I'm selling, and you could add a few of them to your store as well. So let's get into it. So the first thing that I picked up was a pair of these Vans. They are custom Peanuts brand Charlie Brown Vans. They're for kids. Very, very good condition, as you can tell. I cleaned them up just a little bit, and I didn't really need to do too much work to them. So there's, like I said, they're kid size, and I should get at least about 30 bucks for those. And I think I only paid about $3 or $4. Next pair of shoes I picked up was a pair of Saludos, and these are espadrilles, and they are for women. Give you a quick little glance at those. Also very good condition as well. Probably was only worn maybe once or twice. And these sell very, very well. It's not a huge profit margin on there, but I'm gonna definitely sell them for about 25 to 35 bucks, and I only paid about $5 for them. So definitely a good shoe and very easy to ship as well. Next pair of shoes that I found was a brand new pair of Hoka 11s in a size 13. Like I said before, Hoka 11, their headquarters is not too far from me. I think they're in Goleta, which is like 25 minutes away. So I always end up finding UGG and Goleta brand shoes in my area, in my thrift stores. And like I said, these were brand new without the box. Another reseller grabbed the other ones that have the box, but these are great condition. Well, they're brand new, fresh out the box, as you can tell. And should definitely get around 100 bucks for these. Hoka 11s are super popular, super comfortable as well. So anytime I see these, I always grab one. Next was these UGG slippers, and they're for women, of course. And they're just, just little furry slippers that girls are wearing during the summertime. Like I said, I always find UGG branded stuff. So, I just came up on these, and I figured, why not? I'll go for it. These sell, I think, for about 25 to 35 bucks, so definitely some money to be made. And I only paid about $4 for these, so I just cleaned them up just a little bit. The bottoms had a little wear on there, but I just rubbed down the inside with some rubbing alcohol, and that was pretty much good to go right there. Next is a pair of Air Max 360s. Definitely keeping these though. Always needed a pair of these shoes. I just wanted to test out the technology. Super comfortable. Very good condition. I think I paid $6 for these, and since they're in my size, I'm gonna keep them. I might end up selling them later on, but anytime I find shoes in my size that's a good workout shoe, I usually rock them for a little bit, and then I'll flip them. So these are gonna be added to the collection for at least maybe a month or so. Next is a pair of these Reebok CrossFit shoes. These are in a men's size 9. They are the Nano 2.0s. Very good condition, probably worn a few times, so because there is some normal signs of wear on there, but it's nothing crazy. CrossFit shoes always sell well for me, especially these Nano, whether it's Nano 2.0, 7.0, whatever, they always sell very, very well. CrossFit is very popular sport right now. A lot of people are doing it, so they're always trying to find shoes and whether it's workout clothes for a good deal. So I just threw these up for 40 bucks. It should sell anywhere between $35, $40. Definitely some money to be made. We got a lot of shoes here today, people, so bear with me. So next is a pair of these Pure Boost. These are also in my size, but I got enough Pure Boost and Adidas sneakers in the collection right now. So these are gonna go up for sale. Boost used to be super popular and used to sell for a lot, but doesn't sell for that much anymore. So I'm probably going to get about 40 to 50 bucks for these, which is fine though. So if you do find any Pure Boost, any type of shoes with this Boost technology, I'm not going to say they all sell for really good money. Some doesn't. But the Pure Boost, Ultra Boost, NMDs, any of those models, they usually sell for good money. So be on the lookout for that. Next pair is a pair of these Nike Fury 2s. These are also some workout shoes. These don't sell for anything crazy, anywhere between 30 and 40 bucks. But like I said, in my area, it's always a lot of athletic wear, a lot of sneakers, a lot of workout clothes. So that's the type of stuff that I find. So I sell that a lot. And these were in great condition. I had to wipe them down just a little bit. The midsole was a little dirty. But definitely be on the lookout for any Nike Fury 2s. They sell fairly quickly. It shouldn't take me more than 2 weeks to sell these. So yeah, hopefully these go fast and make some good money. Next is a pair of Adidas tubular sneakers for women. I definitely had to wipe these down quite a bit. There's still some stains on the front, but I mean, it's used shoes, so what do you expect? There's gonna be a little something here and there. Spent about $6 for these. They sell for about $30 to $40, so I'm definitely gonna, make some decent profit on this. Next, I got another pair of Adidas tubulars. These are Adidas tubular. I believe it was like Shadow or Core Black or something like that. But Adidas tubulars don't sell for much money either. But it's a decent shoe. It should sell fast. It's a very good workout shoe. Super comfortable. So I don't see these standing around for too long. They're pretty big size 13. Size 13 is kind of popular too on eBay. So those should definitely sell fast. Next is a pair of these Teva, the name on here is Teva Mountain Games, Veil. I took a little chance on these because the comps weren't that good, but they were only $4. And Teva, similar to UGG and Hoka 11, their factory is out here too. So I always find a bunch of Teva shoes. But yeah, I took a chance on it. It was only $4. So if you see some shoes that's Teva, always look it up because some Teva shoes do have a higher value, while others, they don't sell as much. Here's another pair of Teva boots. These are some hiking shoes, fairly big size as well, size 13. Just had to wipe these down. The midsole was a little dirty, but these were in very good condition, as you can see. And these sell for about $80. I've seen somebody sell them for, but I mean, I'll probably sell mine for anywhere between $30 and $60, somewhere around there, because these are used. The ones that I did see that sold, those are brand new. So it should sell fast because Teva, like I said, Teva, certain shoes, certain models, certain styles are very popular, and this is one of the more popular styles. So be on the lookout for Teva shoes, especially when they have those Vibram soles, because the Vibram sole is what kind of sets them apart. So be on the lookout for those. And the last shoe was a pair of these Blundstones. Blundstone is this shit is a very ugly shoe, but people like it. It's kind of like a Doc Martin. It got a lot of wear on these. Usually I would try to polish shoes up that has a lot of wear like that, but I'm gonna just leave it like that, sell it as is, sell it cheap so it could flip kind of fast. Whoever buying that, I'm pretty sure they're either gonna polish them up or they might not care that it's a little worn. So be on the lookout for Blundstone. These are the 500 series, 500 on the tag. Yeah, so just be on the lookout for Blundstone. They sell they're very expensive, but they sell, or used when they're in a very good condition, they sell anywhere between $80 to $100. I'll probably give about $40 for those since they're a little scuffed up. I also found this Stussy snapback for I think it was $2. Very, very good condition. Whoever rocked it probably wore it once or twice because this is super, super clean. Inside isn't anywhere on there, but I really liked it because like I said, it was super clean, super fresh. I used to like Stussy back in the day, but I don't really rock Stussy anymore. I don't really rock too much streetwear anyway, but it's a good brand to pick up. It doesn't sell for much. You're probably gonna flip for about $20, but I mean, $2 into 20, I mean, that's good money all day, so I'll do that. Now getting into the clothes, I got this Adidas soccer jersey. This is FC Bayern. I'm not gonna just butcher the name, but it's a German soccer team jersey. Very good condition. Make sure when you're looking for these Adidas soccer jerseys, they're official because they do sell a lot of fakes out there, so be on the lookout for that tag. These will probably sell anywhere between $25 to $35. Definitely make sure that they're authentic though. What you want to look for is, that little Adidas little stamp. Most of the time they have it there, and the tag on the inside will also be looking like that. Have a barcode on there for you, and it'll even tell you the date. Hopefully you guys can see that. And this is a men's size small, very good condition. So be on the lookout for Adidas soccer jerseys. Next is this coat from UGG. It is a waxed waterproof jacket. Here goes the UGG logo. I'm always finding UGG stuff, whether it's shoes or jackets. And this has a nice little UGG hit on the sleeve as well. Hopefully you guys can see that. And yeah, it's a nice little UGG jacket. Should probably sell anywhere between $50 and $70. So we'll see how much it goes for. But like I said, very nice jacket, very good condition. So definitely be on the lookout for UGG. Here I got a brand new pair of Levi jeans. The tag, I don't know how this tag looks like it was washed, but I mean, clearly the jeans were never worn, because who would wear the jeans with the tag on it like that? But these are brand new. They were half off as well, so I only paid about $3 or $4 for these. Black Levi 511 skinny jeans. So that should be a good sell. I never sold this brand before. This is O'Neill, and that's a surfboarding brand. But it's a good shirt. I mean, it's alright. It's brand new with the tags. This was also on sale, so I paid $3 for this. So, you know, hopefully I should get anything between 25, hopefully $30 I should grab for this shirt. Next is this Ministry of Supply shirt. Ministry of Supply is a very popular brand. Kind of expensive. These shirts go anywhere between $50 and $60 on eBay. It's just a pink plaid shirt. You can see it has these little holes by the armpits, which I'm thinking is to help with perspiration. And, you know, just a nice little style hit, I guess. So yeah, be on the lookout for Ministry of Supply. Those shirts always sell well. This one is for the ladies. Soul Cycle hoodie. I never found anything Soul Cycle before, but Soul Cycle, very, very popular. It's like a workout brand now. But they basically like a spin class, and people would, you know, wear their Soul Cycle shit to the spin class. So very dope hoodie. It even has this little side, I don't even know what to call it. You know, little side cut on the side over there. You know, little side cut on the side over there. So yeah, this should sell for about $25, maybe $30. Can't believe this shit. This was the find of the day. I should have saved this one for last, but this was a Burberry jacket. My size, keeping it. This will not be for sale, at least not yet. I'm gonna rock this a few times. It's had the Burberry print on the inside. I didn't even pop the tag on this one yet, but yeah. Crazy. It's crazy, crazy. I paid $4 for this. Jackets were on sale, so it's like, I can't believe whoever was tagging this didn't even realize that it was Burberry, but thank you for not paying attention, because this will stay in the collection for sure. Next is this hoodie from Cool. Cool is another outdoorsy brand. This is a girls brand. This is a girls hoodie, extra large, size 14. Trying to find the logo for you guys. Here it is. So be on the lookout for this logo. It usually sells pretty well for me. I sell a lot of this brand, so it's kind of like Patagonia. So definitely be on the lookout for that. Cool, very nice and warm and thick. You could tell it's quality, so I'm definitely going to put it up for anywhere between $25, $35. You'll see how much I get for that. Almost out of the clothing. I got like 2 more pieces, so bear with me, y'all. Rockstar jersey. Fox Racing Rockstar jersey. These sell for like $30, so I was like, this is definitely not my style at all, but somebody, especially in Cali, would probably want this. So, a little Rockstar hit on the side. Paid like $2 for that. Should sell for $30. That's always a good little flip. I was telling you guys before, be on the lookout for snowboarding and winter gear, because now is the time. If you can get it, now is the time to buy it and just hold on to it for the next few months. So I ended up buying a pair of these snowboarding pants from Columbia, and these are Columbia titanium snowboarding pants, and it's just a size large, so it's a popular size. These should definitely sell from like $35 to $45, and it might sit for a couple months, maybe not sell until November or December. But you know, it's better to get it now while you can and just put it on ice. Post it now, but you know, just put it on ice and don't expect it to sell fast. That's basically what I'm telling you. And last but certainly not least is this big ass North Face coat. This shit is huge. Size triple XL, but it is the dry vent jacket. So I'm probably gonna price this high since it is such a big size, and I'm sure big guys, you know, it'll be a little harder for them to find a jacket this big. So there goes the tag, the North Face. Very big jacket, super clean, practically brand new. And yeah, I'm gonna probably split that for like 80 bucks. So that's everything I had. As you could tell, I found a bunch of shoes. I got a lot of clothes. So I'm gonna put most of these things are already listed. So that's one of the biggest tips I wanted to leave you guys with. Once you go to these thrift stores during the weekend, you know, whether it's Sunday night or Monday morning, make sure that all those stuff that you got, you put them up and you list it. Because you could buy the best stuff in the world, but unless it's listed, you know, you can't sell it. So the name of the game is buy low, sell high, and sell fast. You know what I mean? So make sure that as soon as you get these things, you're listing them and you have them on eBay, you put them on Poshmark. You know, you're attracting as much eyes to your products, as many eyes as possible. That way you can sell it fast and, you know, recoup on your investment. You know, put the profit, you know, put it in savings or pay your bills or do whatever it is that you gotta do. But always make sure as soon as you get stuff, list it as soon as possible. Do not create a death pile, as some people like to call it, and it's just sitting on your couch and just piling up. You know, as soon as you get it listed, put it up, and then repeat the process. Anyway, I'm ranting a little bit. I gotta run to the post office and ship out this weekend's orders. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, drop a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.